Hi everyone, today topic is second simple machines inclined plane. Okay, now we have two ladders. This is first, this is second, and second is like inclined plane. Now we have one boy is climbing the ladder. Which ladder is easier to climb? Generally we prefer the second ladder because this is easy to move for us. We prefer to this one. And let's analyze work done with inclined plane. Now this is also our inclined plane. This here is height of the inclined plane. L is length of the inclined plane. If I put in this here box mass is M, and I am pulling or pushing with F force. And how can we find relationship between the force, length, height and weight of objects? Now we will check height and weight of objects mg parallel and F and L parallel. And if I prefer a formula, F multiplying L is equal height multiplying mg. And for inclined plane, if I ask find the mechanical advantage, shortly we can write MA is equal length of the inclined plane over height of the inclined plane. Okay, let's solve the exercise about inclined plane. This is our first questions. This one is our inclined plane. Height 12 meters, length 36 meters. In this here we have objects is 60 kilogram, and I will apply F force and calculate the F force. And our formula, F multiplying L is equal mg multiplying height. And mg, how can I find? Always we have to change kilogram into the Newton, and 60 kilogram 600 Newton. And F is, we don't know, L is 36 meters, mg 600 Newton, and height is 12 meters. And 36 and 12 simplified, we have just 3 state. F is equal 600 over 3, and our result is 200 Newtons. Okay, how can we find mechanical advantage for inclined plane? Mechanical advantage, shortly, length of the inclined plane over height over the inclined plane. When we check, length is 36 meters over height of the inclined plane 12 meters, and our result is 3. Next example. Okay, let's draw the inclined plane. Height is 60 centimeter. In this here we have box, and box is 12,000 Newton, and our F force we don't know. Length of the inclined plane, it is 3 meters. Calculate the F force. Okay, now we will use our formula. F multiplying L is equal mg multiplying height. And in this here, mg I gave with a Newton. We don't know to change into the another things. And but height is 60 centimeter. 60 centimeter always 0.6 meters. Okay, everything I will put into the formula. F we don't know, L is 3 meters, mg 12,000, and height is 0.6 meters. And after calculate F is equal 12,000 multiplying 0.6 over 3, and my result is 2,400 Newton. And how can we find mechanical advantage for inclined plane? Length over the height, and length is 3 meters, height is 0.6 meter, and my result is 5. Next example. This is also our inclined plane, simple machines. Height of inclined plane we don't know. Length is 2 meters. And in this here we have objects, and objects 30 kilogram. If I applicate F is 1200 Newton, calculate the height of the inclined plane. Our formula, which one is parallel? F and L parallel, mg and height parallel. F 1200, L is 2 meters, mg it is 300 Newton, and height we don't know. And in this here 20 and 20 simplified, and height is equal 24 over 3. My result is 8 meters. And if I ask find the mechanical advantage for inclined plane, length over the inclined plane over height over the inclined plane. Length is 2 meters, height is 8 meters, and my result is 1 over 4. Next example. And in this here objects, and I will applicate F is equal 200 Newton, height is equal 4 meters, and L is equal 8 meters. Find the mass of the object. Our formula F multiplying L is equal mg multiplying height. And F it is 200, L is 8 meters, and M we don't know, gravity always 10, and height of the inclined plane 4 meters. And in this here after calculate it is 1600, and it is 40 m, and 10 and 10 simplified, and mass of objects 160 over 4, and my result is 40 kilogram. And if I ask find the mechanical advantage for inclined plane, length of the inclined plane over height of the inclined plane. Length is 8 meters, height is 4 meters, and my result is 2. Okay, for today that's all. See you next lesson.